welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. My name is Nick, and today we're going to be installing Doggy Talents in Minecraft 1.12.2. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more awesome content. And this video is also brought to you by Game Servers. Go to the breakdown.xyz/MC server to get an awesome 24-hour Minecraft server for just $1 per month. We use them ourselves, and we absolutely love them. You will not regret it. Again, that's the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below. Nevertheless, let's get on into installing Doggy Talents. Before we can actually download and get Doggy Talents installed, though, we need to get Forge downloaded. And to do that, you can go to the second link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Forge. It will take you here, where you then want to scroll down until you see the big green Download Forge button. Click that, and it will take us off to MinecraftForge.net, where we want to find Minecraft 1.12.2 as our version. As you can see, it's already selected here, MC 1.12.2. If it's not for you, you can select it over here on the left-hand side. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and download the latest version here. To do that, go under Installer, right under Download Latest, and click it. It will now open up Add Focus, where do not click anything on this page at all. It's lying to you. Don't click anything on this page at all, except the skip button in the top right. Once you click that, it will download Forge right down here where we need to keep this file. As long as it says .jar at the end, right there, see that, .jar, we can click Keep and we're good to go. Now we want to download Doggy Talents. To do that, go to the third link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Doggy Talents. It will take you here where you want to then click on the Files button right there. Now, Doggy Talents upgrades their mod for tons of different versions. So we want to make sure the game version over here says 1.12.2. And as you can see, right there it is, 1.12.2. Awesome. So we want to come over and click the download for 1.12.2. And we want to keep this file. It's been downloaded by 55,000 people. Then we can minimize our browser. And on our desktop, we should have Forge and Doggy Talents. If you don't have that, don't freak out. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard and R at the exact same time, and then type in Downloads. Hit Enter, and they'll be in here. Drag them to your desktop for ease of use. Now, let's start off by getting Forge up and running. To do that, right-click on it, go Open With, Java TM Platform SE Binary. It will then open up our handy-dandy Forge Mod Loader installer. Click on Install Client and click OK, and it'll now go through and woohoo, successfully install Client Profile Forge. Awesome. Click OK again, and then we can drag this to the side. Now, Doggy Talents. Let's get it installed. Hit the Windows key on our keyboard and R at the exact same time again. By the way, the Windows key is the Windows icon right up here. It's on your keyboard right next to the space bar. Click that and R at the exact same time. It will open up the run program where we then want to type in %appdata %appdata% and hit enter. It will then open up the roaming folder where we then want to go into .minecraft and we then want to go into our mods folder. But Nick, what if we don't have a mods folder? What do we do? Well, don't freak out. It's no big deal. Just right click, create a new folder, and title it Mods, M-O-D-S, all lowercase, exactly like that. Hit enter, and then open up the newly created mods folder. Into it, you want to take Doggy Talents, and just click on it, and drop, and drag it in. Boom. Doggy Talents is installed. We need to open up the Minecraft launcher. But while that opens up, I want to remind you to please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more awesome content. Because guess what? Doggy Talents is installed. We just need to come down here and click on this little green arrow, and then go to the Forge profile right here. Click that, click play, and it should work. If it doesn't, no worries. Come back to the Minecraft launcher right here, go over to Launch Options, and then go to Forge right here. Click on that, and then you want to click on the drop-down box next to Forge. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should have a few different Forge versions down here. You want to click on the one with the most recent release date. How do you get tell that? Well, it's going to have the higher number at the end. For example, this one has 2654, whereas this one down here has 2625. So we want to go with 2654. Click on that, click Save, and then go back to News over here. Come back down here to the green arrow, make sure Forge is selected, and click play. It will now open up Minecraft 1.12.2 with Doggy Talents installed. I will see you guys on the main menu. Once we're on the Minecraft main menu, we can check to see if Doggy Talents is installed very easily. Just click the mods folder here, and we should be able to scroll down, and there it is, Doggy Talents. In addition to that, we can launch into Minecraft here and see Doggy Talents is installed. You won't have all of those errors. From a previous tutorial I did, it's just saying it's not there anymore. Boom, there it is. As you can see, we've got the doggy charm in addition to the command emblem. Awesome stuff. We can also probably go in here and see all the other stuff like dog beds and bones and everything else that it adds to the game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This is a brand new channel, so please subscribe. Please help us out, help it grow, all of that awesome stuff. Get in on the ground floor, if you will. My name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown. I hope you enjoyed Doggy Talents, and I am out, guys. Peace.